Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Tutorials. The Tutorials is an educational channel on YouTube, on Facebook, and on TikTok. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the past questions, the post-UTME past questions of some universities. So today we're gonna start with Uniben. In each of the questions 11 to 13, identify the option that has a stress pattern different from the rest. In each of the questions 11 to 13, identify the option that has a stress pattern different from the rest. We have option A, interpret, B, distinctive, C, filtration, and D, national. The correct answer to this question is option D, national. National has a stress on the first level. It has the stress on the first level. Option A, interpret, has the stress on the second level. B, distinctive, has the stress on the second level. And C, filtration, has the stress on the second level. Okay. Now, option A, interpret, has a stress on the second level because the second level is the only level that has a long vowel sound, which is also a strong vowel sound. Now, A sound, the short A sound is a weak vowel sound which shouldn't be stressed in a word that contains a strong vowel sound. I discussed this with those in my WhatsApp class. So the stress is on the second level of the word. B, we have distinctive. I discussed on this channel how to identify the stress level of a word that ends in IVE. I said when you have a word that ends in IVE, you're going to stress the second syllable from the end. You're going to stress the second syllable from the end. And the second syllable from the end is think. Think, okay? So that's where the stress is. The second syllable from the end. Now option C, we have filtration. When a word ends in ION, you're going to stress the second syllable from the end. And the second syllable is on TRA. So it's not the correct answer. Like I said, the correct answer is option D, national. Now, national, what's the root word of national? The root word of national is nation. And I already discussed in this channel that when you have a two-syllable word that is a noun, you're going to stress the first syllable, okay? Now, the word nation is a noun. The stress is going to be on the first syllable, N-A. Let's look at the next question. This question is from ASU Post-UTME past questions. Okay, and we have to choose the option that best completes the sentence. We have I can't stand people prying into my private life, Stephanie said. Dash agreed Jane. I can't stand people prying into my private life, Stephanie said. Dash agreed Jane. We have option A, me too. B, I also. C, me neither. And D, likewise myself. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, me neither. Okay, when you want to agree with something negative, that is a statement that is negative, a statement that contains not, you use me neither. When you want to agree with a statement that is positive, that is a statement that does not contain not, you use me too, option A. Now we agree with a statement that contains not. Can't is the contracted form of can not. Is a contracted form of can not. So it contains not. We're going to choose option C, me neither. Now, if the sentence had read, I can stand people prying into my private life, Stephanie said, dash agreed Jane, then we would have chosen option A, me too, because the sentence now does not contain not, is positive. So because the sentence contains none, we're going to choose option C, me neither. I hope that is clear. The next one is from Delsu. Delsu State University. We have many goods, dash cameras and tape recorders find a ready market in every country. Many goods, dash cameras, and tape recorders find a ready market in every country. We have option A, such as, B, like, and C, such, and D, as, such as, like, such, and D, as. The correct answer to this question is option A, such as. Such as is a phrase that is used in introducing examples in a sentence. When you want to introduce examples in a sentence, you use the phrase such as, not like. For example, I've read many novels such as Things Fall Apart, Unexpected Joy at Dawn, etc. Okay, so we want to introduce examples in a sentence. You use such as. We don't use like, because like is not used in introducing examples. It simply means as though. Okay, it means as though or similar to. It's not used in introducing examples in a sentence. So you don't say, I've read so many novels like Things Fall Apart, um, Unexpected Joy at Dawn. You don't say that, you say such as. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Option C and option D are incorrect. You already know why. So option A, like I said, is the correct answer. Let's move to the next one. Now let's see this one from Futo. Future we have, if your life is in turmoil, always take courage. If your life is in turmoil, always take courage. We have option A, devastation, B, crisis, C, trial, and D, tragedy. Now the word turmoil means a state of confusion, a state of crisis, a state where you have to make an important decision, a state of confusion, okay? So that is turmoil. Now, option B is the correct answer. Crisis means a state of uncertainty, a state of confusion, okay? So option B is the correct answer. Option A, devastation. Devastation means damage, okay? Option C, trial. You know what trial is? The trials and temptation. So option C is not correct. Option D, tragedy. Tragedy has to do with something ending badly, okay? So option B is the correct answer. Alright guys, this is where I'll be ending today's video. I hope you learned something new from it. I hope you understood everything I've discussed today. I've treated so many universities past questions, posting past questions. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can see my other videos and be notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment for me in the comment section, and like the video. And you should also join me on Facebook. I give daily lessons on Facebook. Make sure you join me on Facebook. Like I always say in my pursuing related videos, also use your jam past questions to prepare for pursuing. Some of the questions I see in post-UTME, I see them in JAMB past questions. Okay, please also use your past questions, your JAMB past questions, in preparing for post-UTME. Why I feel this is important is because one of my students told me that last year when she sat for post-UTME, the questions she saw were different, entirely different from the questions she saw in the post-UTME past questions she used in preparing for the exams. So this is why you should not depend on pursuing past questions. Also use your jam past questions and preparing for the exams. Okay, it's important to me that you pass the exams and get admission to study the course of your choice. Thank you very much for watching and see you in my next video.